It's Cupcake Unicorn Sparkles, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. So I'm just going to wait for more viewers to come on, and then I will start. So the first package I got is this. I can't show the front because for privacy reasons. So, and then I have this one. So I'm going to begin with this one. Okay, I'm going to begin with this one. I'm just opening the box. It's kind of hard to open. Okay. Okay, so the first thing we got is from Beautiful Belle from Estee Lauder. Lauder. Okay, so it's a perfume, I believe. It smells like flowers, actually. It smells pretty good, but it's very strong. Super strong. Something we got in my mouth. I like it. So, hi Stephanie. When are you announcing the giveaway? This Saturday? This Saturday. Okay, and that is it for this box. And now, moving on to the package. I'm moving on to the package. Got my handy dandy pair of scissors. Because this is going to be hard to open because I can't. Let me see. Oh, what's this one? So it says that it's the new fragrance, Love Breaks All Rules, from Beautiful Belle, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this package. Okay, so now I'm open. When are you announcing the giveaway? This Saturday. Okay. Cool. It's another bag from Ipsy. Okay, so I have the card that it comes with. And then it comes with a highlighter. It's Glow 2 highlighter, illuminating powder from Seat, London, I believe that's the name. It is in Moon Dust. It works pretty well, actually. The color is like really pretty, and it actually works pretty well. Next, I have a beautiful brush. Okay, this is so pretty. It is from Shimmy Glam. It's from Miss Glam, I believe. SB68. It is so pretty. So pretty. So like this is like, like the tip is like ombre from pink to teal. Then the brush is like glittery clear. It is so pretty. Reminds me of a unicorn. Next we have I Am the Storm Lady Love Matte Liquid Lipstick. It shows the color there. It's like a reddish color. Kind of hard to open. Almost dropped it. Okay, so I'm opening it right now. Hi, Jessica. So one of the things that came was a highlighter and this beautiful brush. So pretty. Okay, as I was the lipstick. Thank you. 20%. All of Real Her gross profits are donated to the AAUW, a non-profit organization that advances equity for women and girls through. Pretty good. Okay. Let these quotes act as okay. Okay, so this is actually pretty cool. I like the packaging. It says, "I am the storm," and it says "Real Her." I'll tell you who it's from in a minute.
That's pretty.
It looks pretty. Oh, it looks pretty. It also looks dark. Oh, that was really easy to slip on. Hmm? It look okay. So I'm gonna do a Selena look tonight, or not tonight. Wednesday, and this is the lipstick I'm gonna use. I need a mirror for this. Sorry if it's wrong. I don't have Selena's good makeup artist.
You have your palettes in front of you with mirrors.
Sorry for the background noise.
Your brother's singing Shabuya.
Yeah, my little brother singing Shibuya. I don't have foundation, so this is the best you're gonna get. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's super pretty. I think they put it in the wrong box though because. Oh, okay. And I really like the color. Super dark, super red, and I like it. Okay, then I have the He Said, She Said, What's the Tea eyeshadow in this color right here, purple. I'm going to try it out on my finger. On my eye. And I'm going to be using my brush. I guess I am doing a look for you today. This is very random, but I wanted to share this with you because I found this out a few days ago. That Japanese yogurt lids, yogurt doesn't stick to the lid. And that's kind of sad because I like to lick the lid when I eat yogurt. Okay. And now I'm going to put on my Glow Time highlighter, Glow 2 highlighter. I like that name. My hair got most of it. Okay. And today was my first day of school, and it was pretty fun. I started the first day very educated. Right after breakfast, we did a math sheet on the first day. my beauty blender came off. Okay, I believe that is it. Nothing else in the bag. I believe that's it. So what I got is 5 things in the 5 things in the Ipsy package. It comes again in this. I always. Oh, there's one more thing, guys. Sorry, forgot it.
A stowaway.
It's a stowaway. My Kula Mineral. I always say that wrong. That name wrong.
Mineral.
Mineral Sun Silk Creme. Cream. People say creme. Gather those followers. No, because on commercials they're like, buy this beautiful creme.
No.
Yes, they say that.
No.
I remember it's for conditioner. They're like, it comes in a foam. It comes in something else, and it comes in a creme. They said creme.
Sure.
Sunsilk creme sunscreen. And then it came in with a beautiful lipstick. I love. My grandma's probably gonna steal it because she is obsessed with Selena. And this beautiful perfume smells really good but very strong. This beautiful eyeshadow. This beautiful highlighter. And there's one more thing. Where is it? Oh, and this beautiful brush. And,
Yes.
guys, I am Cupcake Unicorn Sparkles, and this is the finished Selena themed look.
No.
Okay.
You can do it this week.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it this week, guys. This is not a Selena look. I'm just kidding. This is the finished unboxing video. I really like everything that came in it, and there is still more packages to come. Creme brulee,
Creme
maybe?
brulee.
Creme brulee, maybe.
Yeah.
So there is still 2 packages to come. So make sure you stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to my Instagram and to my YouTube so you can be entered in the raffle bowl. Your name can be entered in the raffle bowl to win this 18-inch sound bar this Saturday. We are going to be giving this away. And I wish all of you good luck. And this feels heavier than yesterday. Just saying. And I wanted to again say congratulations to Norma for winning yesterday's giveaway. Oh my god, my highlighter is not blending in at all. Okay. This is the finished giveaway. Thank you for watching. Good luck for this week's giveaway. Bye.